Hi, my name is Ryan, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to factor cubic polynomials. So let's just start off with a regular trinomial. So as usual, start off with your x's, and then you know it's a positive, so which means those two are going to be the same and they have to add up to a negative, so therefore they have to be negative. And that'll get you that. And there, x minus 3 to the 2. So that is just a trinomial. But let's try factoring a cubic trinomial. So let's do x to the third plus 3x to the 2 minus 4x minus 12. So you're probably wondering, what do I do now? That's okay, I'm here. So what you want to do is you want to see basically, and you want to group them. So you want to take your first set and your second set and put them to the side. So what you want to do is you want to take out, you want to see what both of these can go into. So both of these can be, basically they can be reduced. So an x squared can be taken out of both of these numbers right here, which will give it x plus 3. And then you have the same thing for this one, so plus, and then take out a negative 4 from both of them, which will give you x plus 3 again. And notice that these two are the same. So what you want to do is you want to basically put them together, so it would be x squared minus 4. So you took these numbers right here, put them together, and then you want to take these numbers right there and just make them as 1. And then this can be basically factored out even more to x minus 2 plus 2 x plus 3. And there's your answer. So that's kind of how to basically factor a cubic polynomial, but let's try a different, it's basically the same thing, but it's just another tip I want you guys to know. So we're going to take the same exact problem, minus 12. So we're going to take the same exact problem, but factor out each one differently. So we're going to factor out this one and this one together, and same with this one and this one together. So let's rewrite that. So that'll be x to the third minus 4x plus 3x to the 2 minus 12x. And let's do the same thing. Group those two, and then let's factor out what we can. So that'll be an x squared minus 4. Then we got a plus, factor out a 3, x squared minus 4. And look at that. Those two numbers are looking pretty similar, so we take those. So we got x plus 3. Let me rewrite that one. We have, like I said, x plus 3, x to the squared minus 4, which will get you x plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 2. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This one's a pretty simple one. Basically, you just want to look at, basically group them, and then basically factor out each one individually, and then put these two together and those two together, and there you go. There you have it. So that's pretty much it. You could, like I said, I showed you an example where you can take from the inside as long as they both can factor out to be the same. So that was just an example right there. There might be some cases where you need to take those two inner ones, so you might have to do the x to the third plus the or minus the 4x, where you might have to do that, and then you might have to pair something else up that only works out that way. So I hope this video was a little easier for you. I hope this made things easier for you in your next math class, and I hope this really helped. So let me know if you enjoyed this little tutorial right there for factoring cubic polynomials, and I hope you enjoyed.